If you're looking for a simpler alternative to fried rice as a side dish, then why not try my quick and easy stir-fried noodles with bean sprouts. And we're going to be using fresh egg noodles for this recipe, so it all fries together in about 7 to 8 minutes. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, I absolutely love bean sprouts in stir-fried noodles, but the only problem with bean sprouts is they don't last long at all. They can go quite slimy in the fridge after a few days. So I've got a couple of tips to make those bean sprouts last a bit longer. Now, the first tip is to take the bean sprouts and give them a really good rinse, then place them in an airtight container and completely cover in cold water. Then place a lid on them and store them in the fridge. And they should last about a week that way. I do like to swap out the water after about 3 days, but they should last for about a week altogether. And you can just drain them and then use them straight in your stir fry. The second way is to freeze the bean sprouts. They're not quite as crispy this way, but it's a great way to store them and to make them last longer. Just transfer them to a bigger bag like I've done here. Place a clip on them and flatten them out and place them in the freezer. And then you can pop them straight into your stir fry. Heat the wok over a medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of neutral oil and a tablespoon of sesame oil. Add a thinly sliced onion and cook for 2 minutes, stirring often until slightly softened. Now add in 2 minced cloves of garlic, 300 grams, which is about 10.5 ounces of fresh bean sprouts, and 5 spring onions that have been sliced into thin strips. And we're going to stir fry those together for about 1 minute, stirring constantly. Now add in a 410 gram or 14.5 ounce pack of fresh medium egg noodles, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of kecap mayonnaise, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Turn the heat up to high and fry, moving the noodles around the wok constantly with a spatula until hot, which should take about 3 minutes. Then turn off the heat and we're ready to serve. Divide the noodles between bowls and sprinkle with some sesame seeds. And there you go, stir-fried noodles with bean sprouts ready in a flash. Serve it up with your favourite fakeaway, such as this honey garlic chicken or this black pepper beef. See you next time.